Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you our process on carving our bird flying sequence for our flipbook. If you haven't watched our last video, Introduction to Stamp Carving, click on the box on the right hand corner to check it out. It will give you a better concept. We need a piece of tracing paper, a carving tool, a scalpel, a rubber, and a bird flying sequence template. Use a pencil to trace all the movements. If you do not have tracing paper, you can always try using baking paper. Then thicken the black outline of the bird. Make sure it is very clear, so you won't get lost when you're carving it. Trim the paper into individual birds. Remember to add the sequence number to the paper to remind yourself. Now place the birds on the rubber. I always try my best to fit everything tightly, so I do not waste any materials. After you have found the position for the birds, place the pencil drawing facing the rubber and rub the pencil mark onto the rubber. Sometimes the drawing might not come out very well. You can use the pencil to enhance the drawing. You can start cutting the surface out now. I prefer using a scalpel. I think it can reach more details. If you like your bird to be colored, you can cut out the black line instead. I always start from the inside then the outside. After you have done most of the details, now you can also cut out the stamps into its shape. I wouldn't suggest to cut it out first, because you will find it much easier to control the pieces when it is in a massive block, and your cutting will be more precise as well. Mark the sequence number of the pieces at the back to remind you their position. Now we move on to the checking part. When we try to carve the stamp out, you might not carve deep enough. Some of the little marks might still show on the paper. So you can try the stamp out and adjust little by little. I normally cross-check a few more times and make sure it's the quality that I want. Now your bird sequence is ready to go. If you would like to make your own bird sequence, our template will be available on our Etsy shop. I will put the link in the information box below, so check it out as well. Our next video will be about making a flipbook by using these stamps. If you like our video, please comment, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.